So hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is the next video in our Bitsat English series, and my last video got a pretty good response, so I am planning to upload more and more videos for Bitsat English. So without wasting much of your time, let's begin. Our first word for today is fortitude. Fortitude means courage shown in times of adversity or difficult situations. So now here you came to know that adversity means difficult situations. So synonyms of fortitude are courage, valor, bravery, mettle, resilience, and its antonyms are cowardice, timidity, fear, or fearfulness. I would suggest you guys to write it down in a notebook so you don't forget it immediately, or pause the video and repeat it 3 to 4 times. I am doing it in the synonyms and antonyms pattern because mostly synonyms and antonyms are asked in the BITSAT exam. So moving on to the next word for today, unfounded. Unfounded means illogical or baseless. Its synonyms are illogical, baseless, groundless, unverified, and unjustified. And its antonyms are verified and logical. Pretty simple, isn't it? So moving on to our third word, credulous. Credulous means one who easily believes in everything. Synonyms are gullible, unsuspicious, unsophisticated, ignorant, immature, and its antonyms are suspicious. Yeah? So pretty easy word and quite useful to use it in your daily language as well. Irascible. Irascible means having or showing a tendency to be easily angered. Its synonyms are short-tempered, angry, ill-tempered, and its antonyms are peaceful, calm, or anything you can think of such sort. I'm once again telling you guys to take down your notebooks and write it down so you won't forget it, because now you're learning and you're thinking that yes, I can remember it, but after 10 days, 15 days, you won't be able to. And you should read them daily, at least spare 5 to 10 minutes from your schedule and read these words, because English part is also important in your BITSAT and it carries amount of marks which can decide your branch. So please, deadlock. Deadlock is a situation where no agreement or progress can be made because of two or more equally powerful groups that refuse to accept one another's demand. So yeah, that is like no further discussion can take place because both are not willing to compromise. So its synonyms are confusion, standstill, halt, stoppage, and its antonyms are progress, motion. It's a pretty useful word. You can use it anywhere in your writing skill, for your English exam, or anywhere. Dispirited. Dispirited means having lost confidence or hope, or depressed. Its synonyms are disappointed, discouraged, demoralized, daunted, hopeless, disconsolate, dejected. And its antonyms are happy, encouraged, cheerful, jovial, etc. So this is also a pretty good word, and here jovial means having a lot of confidence or hope, like it's opposite of dispirited, so it is kind of synonym of happy, encouraged, cheerful. Yeah. So moving on to the next word, parky. Parky is a new word for you. It might be new for some of you. It means chilly. Its synonyms are chilly and cold, and its antonyms are hot and warm. Incongruous. It means strange and out of place, not suitable in a particular situation. Its synonyms are odd, strange, mismatched, unsuitable, unsuited, and its synonyms are appropriate and suitable. So write this down in your notebook, and these words are useful for your BITSAT, and you can use these words in your writing skills for your CBSE and HSC board exams as well. Because the more words you use, more vocab you use, you score good marks in your writing skills. So it might help you there as well. The next word we are going to see is sententious. It means given to moralizing in a pompous or affected manner. Its synonyms are self-righteous, self-important, pious, moralistic, etc. And its antonyms are humble and meek. Yeah. Moving on to our next word, ineluctable. Ineluctable means unable to be resisted or avoided or inescapable. Its synonyms are unavoidable, inescapable, imminent, inevitable, unchangeable, and its antonyms are avoidable, escapable, and changeable. Inventive. It's a really good word, and like all the science students are aware about this word. So most important are the synonyms and antonyms. Inventive means, like you all know, having clever and original ideas. Its synonyms are creative, original, innovative, ingenious, unconventional, and its antonyms are unoriginal, conventional. Yeah. So you must remember the synonyms and antonyms. That's the most important part, because there are questions in BITSAT like what is the synonym of the word given, and you have to find. So only one is the synonym and other are totally different. So you should be able to find it out, which is the synonym. Similarly, it's for antonyms as well. Stridor. Stridor means a harsh or grating sound. Its synonyms are loud sound, harsh sound, defeating noise, and nouns are loud, harsh. Yeah, like loud sound, harsh sound, defeating noise are used as nouns, and loud, harsh are used as adjectives. And its antonyms are faint sound, feeble sound. They are used as nouns, and weak, feeble are used as adjectives. Ablation is our next word. Ablation means the loss of material from large mass of ice, snow, or rock as a result of action of the sun, wind, or rain. So basically, it is erosion. See its synonyms: weathering, erosion, surgical removal of tissue. So, and its antonyms are formation of soil. So basically, ablation is synonym of erosion and weathering. Next word we are going to see is conflate. Conflate means to combine two or more text, information, objects, or any other two things. So this is a pretty good word for the simple words we use: blend, mix, combine. Other than that, we can use conflate. So see its synonyms: blend, mix, combine, bring together, and its antonyms are separate, classify, and split. Pensive. Our next word is pensive. So, like people who must have read Harry Potter here must be knowing what pensive is. So, in that, pensive is a thing where you put your thoughts and go on to see it later on. But here, the meaning of word pensive is lost in deep thought, and its synonyms are deep, thoughtful, preoccupied with thoughts, and much more. And antonyms are happy-go-lucky and funny. So this is the end of our today's video. Please let me know how did you think this video was, and if you have any suggestions about how should I make my further videos, please let me know. I would be waiting for your suggestions, and please share it amongst your friends as well. And to never miss an update, please hit the subscribe button, and if you like the video, please click on the like button below. I would be really thankful, and see you guys in the next video, which will be coming in the coming 2 days. Yeah, see you guys then.